We all love Coca-Cola. That perfect combination of sweet and refreshing flavor, accompanied by that sparkling fizz, makes every sip an exquisite and, for many, almost irresistible experience. What's more, as you watch this video, you might already be dying to open a cold can. But wait a minute. Have you ever wondered how this drink is actually made? Behind every Coca-Cola, there's a process that might completely change the way you see it. Coca-Cola has always kept both its formula and its production process a strict secret. That's why, over the years, countless myths and theories have emerged. From its mysterious secret formula to accusations about the use of ingredients you'd probably rather not know about. It's even said to contain additives and chemicals that make us addicted to its unmistakable taste. But how much truth is there in all of this? What's really hidden behind Coca-Cola factories? Don't worry. Today we're going to clear up all those doubts. In this video, we'll take you on an exclusive, in-depth tour of a Coca-Cola factory, where you'll learn about the entire production process from the inside. We'll reveal, step by step, how each bottle is made, from the blending of the world's most secret concentrate to the moment it reaches your hands, ready to be enjoyed. And after seeing what really happens at every stage of production, it's very likely that the next time you drink a Coca-Cola, you'll see it in a completely different way. So sit back and get ready, because we're about to reveal all the secrets behind the iconic Coca-Cola taste. Let's begin. Coca-Cola was born in 1886 when Atlanta pharmacist John Stith Pemberton created a medicinal syrup sold in pharmacies as a remedy for headaches and digestive disorders. Its original formula included coca leaf extract, which contained small amounts of cocaine, and cola nut, which is rich in caffeine. At that time, cocaine was a common ingredient in medicines. Over time, the Coca-Cola recipe has evolved, and although it has remained one of the best-kept secrets for over a century, many of its ingredients have been deciphered. But now you're probably wondering, am I consuming cocaine every time I drink a Coke? The answer will surely surprise you, so I won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's find out. Step 1. The star ingredient. It all starts with Coca-Cola's main and fundamental ingredient, water. But we're not talking about a simple liquid. Water is the heart of the beverage, and its treatment is essential to achieving that refreshing and unique experience we love so much. Did you know that something as common as water can make all the difference in the final taste of Coca-Cola? The water used in the manufacture of Coca-Cola is obtained from carefully selected local sources: deep wells, natural springs, or municipal systems. But it's not enough to simply extract it. It must undergo a rigorous process to reach a near-perfect level of purity, and thus become the ideal base for the soft drink. First, the water goes through a coarse filtration process, where physical impurities such as sediment and sand are removed. Then, it's filtered through activated carbon, a crucial phase that eliminates unwanted odors and flavors, ensuring the water is left with a completely neutral taste. The next step is reverse osmosis, and you're probably wondering, what exactly is this? Well, it's an advanced filtration technology that removes more than 99% of the remaining impurities, such as minerals, salts, and microorganisms. This turns the water into a true blank canvas, ready to receive the flavors that define Coca-Cola. Finally, the water is balanced with specific minerals to achieve the perfect composition and the right pH level. This adjustment is key to ensuring it can blend seamlessly with the other ingredients, providing the ideal foundation for the magic that's about to happen. And now that the water is ready, pure, and balanced, it's time to reveal the most anticipated part: Coca-Cola's famous secret formula. What ingredients make it so unique? Let's find out. Step number 2. The secret formula. Here we are. We've reached the heart of Coca-Cola, the essential component that gives the drink life and differentiates it from any other: the secret formula. This formula isn't simply a blend of ingredients, it's the very essence of Coca-Cola, a closely guarded enigma for over a century, known only to a privileged few. Although the exact recipe remains a mystery, scientific studies have managed to decipher most of its components. Coca-Cola's secret formula includes purified water, sugar, caramel coloring, which gives it its iconic color, phosphoric acid to balance the sweetness with that acidic touch, caffeine, natural flavorings, and a decaffeinated coca leaf extract. But don't worry, this extract has been processed to completely remove any psychoactive components, leaving only a subtle hint of flavor. So technically, although the coca leaf extract is still present, you are not actually consuming cocaine. You're only enjoying a highly controlled and safe version of this. Once we have all the ingredients, they are carefully mixed in huge tanks under strict controls, thus creating Coca-Cola. Now that we've revealed the key components of the secret formula, it's time to see how it transforms into something even more special: the syrup blend. This is the step where the concentrate comes to life as all the essential ingredients combine, creating the syrup that will later become the essence of Coca-Cola. Now that we know the ingredients, it's time to see how they become Coca-Cola as we know it. The process begins by mixing the flavorings, caffeine, and phosphoric acid in large tanks. This is the base that, once blended, will be combined with purified water and sugar, forming the syrup that gives rise to Coca-Cola's unmistakable taste. The type of sweetener can vary by region: cane sugar in some countries and high fructose corn syrup in others. Although this difference can create subtle variations in flavor, the recipe is calibrated with absolute precision so that Coca-Cola is always recognizable, no matter where you consume it. This is where the secret lies. The exact blend of the sweetness of sugar and the acidity of phosphoric acid is one of the secrets that makes Coca-Cola so addictive. This balance is what makes every sip leave us wanting more. Once blended, the syrup is prepared in stainless steel tanks, ensuring that each batch is uniform and meets the brand's signature strict quality controls. With the syrup ready, the next step is one of the most important: carbonation, where Coca-Cola acquires that refreshing fizz we love so much. Step 4. Making the soda. One of the most iconic aspects of Coca-Cola is its bubbly effervescence, that refreshing sparkle that makes the drink unique. But how do they achieve such perfect bubbles? The answer lies in the carbonation process, where carbon dioxide is added to the drink in a precise and controlled manner. Coca-Cola syrup is mixed with carbon dioxide under high pressure, allowing the gas to dissolve in the liquid, generating the characteristic bubbles. This process is carried out at a low temperature, ensuring that the gas remains in the drink until the moment you open the bottle or can, ensuring that each sip is as refreshing as the last. Carbon dioxide not only adds fizz, it also influences the flavor of Coca-Cola, adding a touch of acidity that balances the sweetness and enriches the experience. Imagine a Coca-Cola without bubbles. The drink would lose much of its magic and simply wouldn't be the same. With the beverage now carbonated, it's time to move on to the final step before it reaches your hands: bottling and sealing, ensuring that each bottle maintains its freshness until you enjoy it. Once carbonated, Coca-Cola is ready for one of the most impressive and crucial stages: packaging. Coca-Cola's production lines are a true marvel of engineering, capable of filling up to 2,000 bottles per minute. But how do they manage to maintain quality and consistency during such a rapid process? The key lies in the rigorous quality controls applied every step of the way. Whether in glass, plastic, or can bottles, each container is filled and sealed instantly to retain the carbon dioxide pressure and ensure the freshness and fizz reach your hands in perfect condition. This sealing process is vital to maintaining the fizz and flavor intact until the moment you uncork the drink. Next, the bottles pass through the labeling and packaging line, where labels bearing the iconic Coca-Cola design, along with nutritional information, are precisely applied. Every detail counts to ensure that the product not only arrives perfect, but also ready to be enjoyed with the same quality anywhere in the world. This step is the finishing touch that ensures Coca-Cola maintains its maximum freshness and characteristic fizz until the last sip. But wait, There's still one more crucial step before you can enjoy it. Step 6. Distribution. How is it possible that every bottle of Coca-Cola you consume, no matter where in the world you are, always has the same unmistakable taste? The answer lies in the meticulous quality control process and a world-class global distribution system. Every batch of Coca-Cola undergoes rigorous quality control testing to ensure that the carbonation, sweetener, and acidity levels meet the brand's exacting standards. But it's not just about machines and technology. Flavor experts conduct daily tastings to ensure the flavor profile is always consistent. Here, nothing is left to chance. Temperature, time, and every little detail are monitored to ensure each bottle of Coca-Cola is as refreshing and delicious as the last. Once it passes quality control, Coca-Cola is ready to reach consumers. With one of the largest distribution systems in the world, Coca-Cola is shipped to more than 200 countries, from major metropolises to the most remote corners of the planet. This extensive logistics system ensures that each bottle maintains the same freshness and quality throughout its journey. And there you have it, a chilled Coca-Cola, with that perfect fizz and its unmistakable balance of sweetness and acidity. Now you know all the steps involved in making a bottle of Coca-Cola, from purified water and the secret formula, to the ideal carbonation and the rigorous quality control that guarantees its unique flavor. However, although Coca-Cola is a refreshing and delicious beverage, it's important to remember to consume it in moderation. With high levels of sugar and calories, frequent consumption can have negative effects on your health. Will your perception change after learning the whole process? Now, every time you drink a Coca-Cola, you'll appreciate everything that goes into it, and perhaps think twice before drinking it. Tell us, what do you think of Coca-Cola now that you know all its secrets? Will you continue to enjoy it the same, or in a little more moderation? Leave your answer in the comments.